I kind of look like an eggplant too, like my head. I'm Matthew Ravenscroft, and this is roasted eggplant with hazelnut romesco. I was hungry for eggplant with hazelnut romesco, so we decided to make it. My biggest pet peeve is when people put it in the oven and then they preheat the oven. That's not good. You don't do that. We don't do that here. You get your eggplant, you get a better peeler. Oh man, that's tough. It's good to see eggplants. It's not just an emoji anymore. What you do in your home, in your kitchen with your eggplants is your business. It's not mine. So we're gonna cross-hatch it. Don't sweat getting it like so even. I think if we make it out with as many fingers as we showed up with, we're in a good place. I feel the need to make a wind blowing sound. I don't know. I really don't like cleaning dishes. A little eggplant bed. So the hope is here that all this citrus, as it's like in the oven, it just starts like bursting with flavor. We're just gonna rest it right on there. Only you can decide how much salt. Like I love salt and it'll probably kill me, and like I'm also okay with that. We're gonna make just like a little marinade. So I have a little bowl here. This seems like a lot, it's intense, and again, it's a personal journey that we're on here. I like garlic. I'm a garlic girl. What do you want from me, you know? I've never heard of too much garlic. I think there's too much raw garlic, but cooked garlic makes me feel emotions. Half a lemon, we're gonna zest it. This could be years till we get enough. Okay, we're gonna turn on the accelerator here. Now, our eggplant. This is gonna feel visceral. Time to go in. Not me, but the eggplant's gonna go in now. Okay, now it's in. Bye. Eggplant. It's in. Medium high, we want to do some searing. We're going to add our oil. So I have 3 tomatoes. I can't juggle, we're not going to try. And we need our shallots. That's pretty hot. So we got our garlic. The recipe calls for 3, but these are honestly as big as my ear. So this is an ancho chili. I could honestly live inside of a dried ancho. So with this, we pretty much have everything, except for the bread. Nice. And you can just tear it into chunks. Despite all appearances, this actually looks great. I'm changing my answer to where I would go when I die, and it's actually in this. So we're gonna blend this now with more olive oil. Honestly, it goes on everything. I sometimes just drink it. Things are happening in here for sure. Very moist. I hate to say that, but it's not untrue. Oh my gosh. Try not to mix your tomatoes in a metal bowl or they'll end up tasting like metal. That's a little tip from you to me. Just the smell of it. Wow. I like this like juxtaposition of like the raw tomatoes, cooked eggplant. Now we're gonna add a little squeeze of lemon. We've got tarragon, we've got basil, we've got mint, but honestly, just use whatever you have. A little bit of lemon zest. Oh, buddy. Oh my God. I can't eat fast enough. Goodbye.